Good morning to Honorable MD Sir, respected principal, worthy teachers and all present out here. I, Avni,
And I, Jennifer,
extend our hearts to welcome you all to this year's annual presentation of Class 11G on the fascinating and dynamic topic of careers in commerce. Let's take this opportunity to dive into the world of commerce, engage yourself fully in the activities and grab the knowledge presented. Together, we can learn, explore and be inspired by the myriad possibilities that a career in commerce can offer. Let's make this an unforgettable and enlightening experience for everyone.
we will we will begin with this enriching journey by giving you an overview of what we have in store for you today. First, we will begin with pledge ceremony where we affirm our commitment to excellence, integrity and continuous learning in a pursued career of commerce. Then we will move to drama skit that highlights the challenges and triumphs faced by an individual in commerce career. This performance will not only entertain but also provide valuable insights of the real world scenario in commerce career. Then to add a touch of cultural enrichment, we will witness a beautiful classical dance performance. We will also engage in stimulating group discussion with the students of my class. Next, we will also enjoy a poignant poem that captures the essence of careers in commerce. And throughout the presentation, we have lined up several other exciting activities.
As we proceed, I encourage you all to immerse yourself in each activity, grab the knowledge and participate actively. This presentation is not just about learning, but also about envisioning your future and discovering the endless possibilities that a career in commerce can offer. Thank you to each and everyone for joining us today. Let's embark on this enlightening journey together in the presence of our honorable management and make most of this opportunity to learn, grow and be inspired. So let's dive into our looks at careers in commerce starting with the pledge. I request you all to please stand up and get ready for the pledge. Put your right hand on your left shoulder. O God, I offer you my studies, thoughts, words, and action of this day. Enlighten my mind, strengthen my memory, and guide me to do what's right. Amen.
A noble thought is a special message that can guide us and provide us a fresh perspective. To share today's insightful thought, please join me in welcoming Aman to the stage.
Commerce is the canvas upon which economics paints its future, blending the color of innovation, trust, and exchange to create a tapestry of prosperity and growth. I repeat my thought. Commerce is the canvas upon which economics paints its future, blending the color of innovation, trust, and exchange to create a tapestry of prosperity and growth. Thank you.
Aman for that inspiring thought. Let's move forward with our presentation by keeping the thought in our minds, allowing it to drive and inspire us throughout the day. Now we are going to explore a topic that affects all of us, especially our future careers in commerce. Commerce offers a vast array in career options from banking and finance to marketing and entrepreneurship. Each path have unique opportunities and challenges. So without any further delay, let's sit back, relax and enjoy the drama skit. We present you the world of commerce.
An institution where everyone is running in a race of becoming a CA, not knowing the other brighter pathway in the stream. A commerce classroom. Students are sitting and waiting for the teacher.
Good morning, future CAs. Good morning, CA ma'am. Students, today we'll continue our journey to produce chartered accountants among you all. I must tell you that there is nothing better than being a CA.
CA Rohan, reporting for duty.
CA Priya here.
CA Vikram present.
CA, I wanna be CA.
May I enter, ma'am?
Oh, another CA. One more CA? Class, we have a new student joining us today. Please welcome Arjun. Arjun, make sure next time you call me CA ma'am.
Pardon, ma'am, I'll take care of this.
Arjun, would you please introduce yourself to our future CAs?
Hi everyone, I'm Arjun and I'm excited to explore about all the careers in commerce stream.
All the careers? What careers?
Is there any?
Wait until he gets to know it's all about CA here.
That's all for today. I look forward to have you in the classroom with the same zeal tomorrow. Bye, future CAs.
Why is everyone talking only about CA? So, is everyone here planning to be a CA?
As if there is another befitting option.
Buddy, I don't think so.
Of course, it is the best career in commerce. CA holds an unmatched standard, and there is no more choices in commerce as well.
Why would you even think of anything else when you are to be a CA?
Why is everyone in the line of thinking? So, okay, bye friends.
Bye, Arjun.
Arjun leaves for home hanging in a single thought. Is CA the only career option in commerce stream? If there are any other, then why nobody is up to them? Arjun's home.
Why is everyone talking only about CA? Is there not any other option besides CA?
Hey Younger, how was your day at the class? Enjoyed?
Yes, I did, but amigo, is there not any other option besides CA in commerce? Like everyone in the class is after CA. Do I have only one option?
Younger, I will see to it.
Arjun's sister decides, understand what waves are swirling in his mind and decides to get him out of this confusion. The next day in the classroom.
Good morning, students.
Good morning, ma'am.
Today we have a special guest, Ms. Kapoor, who will enlighten you all about careers in commerce beyond CA. She wishes to have an open session with you all. Ms. Kapoor, kindly proceed.
Thank you, Ms. Sharma. Hello, learners.
Hello, ma'am.
I wonder this class only focuses on being a chartered accountant. Do you know commerce offers a variety of career paths? You can be a financial analyst, a marketing manager, an entrepreneur, or even can work in an international business accordingly.
Really? I had no idea. There were so many options.
What? Not only CA?
Then what?
I have been interested in marketing.
My dad always wanted me in their family business.
Maybe I can explore international businesses.
Students, I started my journey as a commerce student just like you all. But then I chose a different path. I became an entrepreneur and now I run a successful business. Remember, commerce is not just about becoming a CA. It's about finding your passion and following it.
Dear, I am nothing but a reflection of you all.
I'm glad we learned about all other careers in commerce. So let's keep our option open and explore all the possibilities in commerce.
Absolutely.
The
Future is bright
and
and
full of opportunities.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Now, may I request you to welcome our group discussion members on the stage to set a healthy discussion on the topic Careers in Commerce. The field of commerce encompasses a wide range of careers from finance, accounting to marketing and management. Today, we shall explore various opportunities requiring skills and future perspective within the field.
Today, we'll explore the various opportunities, required skills and future prospects in this field. Ayumi, what is commerce and why it's important?
Commerce is the exchange of goods and services between a business. It is a trade of goods and services or other things of value between a company and organization. It serves as the lifeblood of the economic development, stimulating consumption, production, investments. Through commerce, business can expand their reach, innovate, and contribute to the overall development of country's economy.
Shubham, can you tell how online shopping has changed the way we buy and sell things?
Buying and selling of goods and services, or the transmitting of funds and data or electronic network. Primarily, the internet is called e-commerce. It was first recorded in 1971 when the student of Stanford University used ARPANET to buy and sell worldwide and allows people to shop easily from home.
Subhanshi, what are some best high-paying jobs in commerce?
Commerce is a vast subject offering multiple high-salary jobs such as chartered accountant, chartered secretary, and much more, including government jobs such as RBI clerk, SBI officer. A commerce student can also appear for the pilot exam by 12th grade with commerce and then studying physics and maths at NIOS.
Mridul, how do CA skills in auditing, accounting and management makes him valuable for government roles?
Sure, chartered accountant while
Chartered accountant, while say powerful skills in management, accounting and auditing, making them intangible asset for government. Job with an average salary in India of 11 lakh per annum. Their work has been shown that finance are accurate and well managed.
Shanaya, who is a management accountant?
Managerial accounting, also known as management accounting, is a method of accounting that helps in making better decisions. The role of accounting involves financial analysis, budgeting, forecasting, cost control, and compliance. They provide valuable insights to improve business strategies and operations. By analyzing financial data, accountants help companies to achieve their financial goals efficiently.
Ruhan, please tell us what is a company secretary and how much do they typically earn?
Company secretary is an expert in corporate laws, security laws and capital market, receiving an offering package of 1 to 1.5 crore annually.
Shreya, what is a budget analysis?
Budget analysts prepare budget reports and monitor spending. They keep public-private organization and plan their finance, offering salary about 8 lakh per annum. They ensure resources are allocated efficiently to meet the organizational goals.
Aman, who is investment banker?
An investment banker is a finance professional who works with companies, individuals, and government to help them raise capital by issuing stocks and borrowing money, providing financial advice, offering salary 17 lakh rupees per annum. Their role is crucial in structuring and organizing major financial transactions.
Kashvi, who is a human resource manager?
Human resource managers plan, coordinate, and direct administrative functions, offering an average salary of about 7 lakh per annum. They play a key role in managing employees to provide a productive work environment.
Abhishek, what does digital marketing involves?
Digital marketing, also known as online marketing, which is production of brands to connect with potential customers using digital platform of communication, offering an average salary of 10 lakh per annum. Digital marketing uses various tools and strategies to derive online engagement and sales.
Suhavi, can you inform us about financial analysis?
Financial analyst guides businesses and individuals in decisions about expanding a business to attain more profits, offering a salary of 9 lakh per annum. They guide market trends and financial data to provide valuable insights for strategic planning.
Thairya, who is a product manager?
Product manager is a person who identifies customer needs and large business objectives that a product or feature which fulfills that vision into reality, offering a salary span from 14 to 24 lakhs per annum. They oversee the launch and development of products, ensuring they meet market demands and business goals.
Commerce offers a diverse range of career opportunities, along with its set of challenges and rewards. One can navigate its career by requiring education and skills. Thank you.
Classical dance is not just an art form. It's a beautiful expression of culture, tradition and emotion. Each gesture conveys a meaning, whereas each movement tells a story. To enchant us with a mesmerizing performance, we have girls of our class who are going to perform a piece of Sufi in front of you all. Commerce is not about buying and selling. It's a broad field that includes finance, marketing, management, and much more. To give us a glimpse into the diversity of careers in commerce, we have a special treat for you all, an English poem that captures the essence and excitement of this field. So I request Ayumi and Guneet to come on stage and recite their English poem.
In the bustling markets and grand halls, commerce stand where trade calls. Numbers dances on ledgers, old stories of fortune yet untold.
Accountants with their keen eyes. Balance books ensure no lies. Auditors in quest for truth. Sift through figures through and through.
Bankers craft financial dreams. Accountants with their savory flair shape portfolio with utmost care.
Marketers in the branding light. Waves tales so bright. Economists with the day sight. Predict text day and night.
Supply chain experts left and wise ensure goods traverse with sky.
Thank you.
We hope you are enjoying our annual presentation so far. Now get ready to immerse yourself in the enchanting world of Hindi music. Hindi songs are not just music, they are deep. So I would like to call Gunmaya on stage for a melodious Hindi song. आंचल से मेरा मुंह पोंछ
enchanting English song. So please welcome her for this song.
I wanted to give up. I'm done with all the things I'm going through. I try to keep my head up. I try to win, but every time I lose, should be getting better. I try, but I don't know what to do. Hope this ain't forever. I just wanna make a breakthrough, but something inside to never give up. All of these setbacks are major setups. If I keep on trying, if I keep on fighting, if I aim for the sky, one day things will go my way. One day things will go my way. One day things will go my way. Thank you.
Dance is a universal language which has the power to express emotion, tell stories and bring people together.
We are about to witness a stunning group dance performance that combines energy, rhythm and creativity. These performers have been practicing tirelessly to bring you a show that is both vibrant and captivating.
So without any further ado, let's welcome our performers to the stage who would surely take us on a mesmerizing journey through the world of rhythm and movement.
फ्रांस की राजधानी पेरिस में ओलंपिक खेलों का आगाज हो चुका है।
और दीपक, क्या लगता है तुम्हें इस बार इंडिया कोई मेडल जीत पाएगा?
मालूम नहीं यार, लेट्स होप फॉर द बेस्ट।
यही रास्ता है तेरा, तूने अब जाना है। हाँ यही सपना है तेरा, तूने पहचाना है। तुझे अब ये दिखाना है। रोके तुझको आंधियां, क्या जमीन और आसमां पाएगा। जो लक्ष्य है तेरा, लक्ष्य था हर हाल में पाना है।
The Olympic Games have finally begun.
ओलंपिक के पहले दिन ही इंडिया को मिली बड़ी कामयाबी।
Practice 10-3.
कुछ पाने की हो आस आस, कोई अरमा हो जो खास खास आशाएं। हर कोशिश में हो बार बार, करे दरियाओं को आर पार आशाएं। तूफानों को चीर के मंजिलों को छीन ले आशाएं।
To each other, and who will get the onset? Will it be the Indian team? Will it be the Serbian?
And stuck it with unyielding determination.
और आशा की एक किरण, मेडल से सिर्फ एक कदम दूर। Win a medal for India.
in Paris, or hopes that opened on Manish Pawar to contest in the finals. But now what we're hearing is that she has been disqualified on account of being overweight. So breaking news coming in.
माना कि मुश्किल है सफर पर सुनो मुसाफिर ओ कहीं अगर तू रुका तो मंजिल पाएगी ना फिर कदम कदम मिलाए जा गगन गगन झुकाए जा रख हौसला कर फैसला तुझे वक्त बदलना है.
Medal at 3 of 4 the last World Championships. He wants to retain his title here in Paris. The reigning Olympic champion needs something huge, and that wouldn't be it. You can see our medalists with their flags hung around their shoulders, gathering for the photos.
This performance is a tribute to all the participants from the Olympics who worked hard, competed, and made India proud.
आजा आजा जिंदे शामी आने के पहले आजा जरी वाले